I'm here with this awesome guy. He's got some of the coolest trailers in the country and some of the one-of-one type things in the world. Had him here at the Airstream Rally. They're in the Casino Night Hall and Memorial Hall, but he has four, so I'll let him give you the scoop on what they are and what they do. But thank you very much, James. Good to see you, and thanks for
Lovely to see you.
great to meet you and all the things like
Yes,
that.
sir.
So if you can tell the world what you are, what you have, what you do, and why, and all the
Yeah,
things.
my name is James Schaal. I'm past president of the Vintage Airstream Club. And currently, I've got my buddy Colin Hyde. He's dancing behind the camera right here, so that's why I'm laughing a little bit.
Love
But
it.
anyway, I've got a 1960 Caravelle right here. It's a super cool unit. This trailer back in the day would have been ordered to be the top of the line. It is an 18-footer. And it's got propane, electric. It was designed to go around the world. It didn't actually go around the world, but it was one of the trailers to do something of that nature.
Yeah.
Right, if we were to pivot just a little bit, this trailer right here, that's a 1966 Caravelle.
Okay.
And when I bought that trailer, there was no floor in it. And if I knew what I know now, I wouldn't have bought that trailer and or towed the trailer home. I probably would have bought it still because it didn't have the subfloor. So the way the Airstream is built, it's frame, subfloor, and then the shell bolts to the subfloor. Well, it was missing the middle piece. So the shell was just barely floating on the frame.
Wow.
So we got it home and we put a new subfloor in it, and we tricked it out to the nines. It's got a queen size Tempur-Pedic bed in it, wine cooler. It's an absolutely beautiful trailer. And then if we were to pivot again, right here is a 1948 Airstream liner. This is an era where Wally didn't have a whole lot of money. So when you're looking at it, there's a lot of parts from the 30s. There's pieces of aluminum that were clearly laying in his shop. And they had a big hole in him, hole in it. So he said, "Screw it, just put a cabinet in front of it, and they'll never know."
Okay.
The only reason I know that is because I tore the entire thing down to rebuild it, to bring it to modern day specification for road safetyness.
Okay.
So it's got a new frame, new axle. She's ready to rock and roll, but she's 100% original from the frame up. So it's a super cool trailer. And then probably the most fun trailer in
The bar car.
This is a Airstream Bar and Lounge. She's a 1965 Ambassador. When I got it, it was a proper trailer. Gutted the entire thing when I was 17, and we turned it into a fun party trailer that you can, host an event in, or we can bring it to a rally and we can have some good times. So.
Where can people find you if they want to see these or use these or rent these or do?
Of course, just look up James and then Schaal and then Airstream, and I pop up. I'm all over the place. Okay. So that's all you need to know.
And you're based out of Roanoke area?
I'm based out of Roanoke, Virginia, but I travel.
Yeah, all right.
So
cool. If you need some vintage things for a show you're doing or something you're doing, or you want to check out this for your venue or wedding or party or whatever else you got going on, he's got some really, really awesome stuff.
Thank
James,
you.
Great to meet you, man. Love what you do.
Lovely to meet you as well. Safe travels.
Yeah,
Safe travels, everybody. Thank you.